Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by placing your passport on a flat surface and opening it to the biographic page. Once ready, confirm the visa sticker matches the passport name, number, and dates so it fits legally. Carefully peel the sticker from its backing along any perforation. You want minimal contact with the adhesive to prevent smudges. If the sticker has a protective film, remove it now. Make sure you have good light and steady hands to align the sticker exactly where it belongs. You align the sticker over the visa area using the passport guidelines so the photograph and machine-readable zone are unobstructed. Once positioned, touch one corner down to anchor it, then slowly lay the rest flat while smoothing outward to push air pockets away. This prevents wrinkles and lifts. Apply even pressure across the entire sticker, pressing the edges for about 10 to 15 seconds so the adhesive bonds to the page and the foil laminate adheres properly. Make sure you finish by inspecting the sticker placement and checking that all details including the MRZ and photo are clear. If small bubbles persist, gently smooth them toward the edge with a soft card. Do not peel or reapply because that can damage security features. If the sticker is clearly misaligned or details are wrong, stop and contact the issuing authority. Correcting errors yourself can invalidate the visa. Keep the passport dry and store it flat to ensure the sticker remains secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.